Hello AppsApk followers and welcome to another video of 2019. So today we're going to look at how we can install two WhatsApps on the same phone using parallel space. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see on my phone, I have already downloaded this app. So you want to install this app first, parallel space. Once you have downloaded it, you want to go to open. Once you have opened the app, you will end up in this menu. So you want to go to add app, and then it's going to tell you to clone the apps. Now you want to make sure that the WhatsApp is selected. So once it's selected, you want to go at the bottom and add to parallel space. Once that is done, you want to click on the WhatsApp icon. You want to go to agree and continue. In this section, it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So I'm just going to enter my phone number and I'll get back to you guys. So that step that I just skipped, it basically asked me to verify my phone number, and they sent me a text containing 6-digit numbers, and I had to type that in within the app, which brought me to this page right here. In this section, I'm going to press skip. So now in this section, you can customize your name, you can add a profile picture, etc. So I'm just gonna put AppsApk. Then it's going to initialize, so just give it a second. Now as you can see, this is my second WhatsApp. I didn't really show you the first WhatsApp, but basically I'm using the same phone numbers within the two WhatsApps, so this wouldn't really work properly. So you want to make sure that you're using your latest SIM for this procedure, otherwise this is not going to work. So I'm just going to go to the WhatsApp. It might show me an error message, but just to show you the chats that I had before. So as you can see on this WhatsApp, there is more chats going on. I did receive the message saying that this phone number has been registered using a different WhatsApp. So just make sure once again that you're using two separate phone numbers for this procedure to work. And there you have it, guys. So if you've liked this how to install two WhatsApps on the same phone using parallel space, please leave a thumbs up and do subscribe to keep notified for following videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.